unconscious for several hours due to our standard medical procedures here, after which you will be subjected to a series of tests. You will be paid the promised reward. You must conduct a basic electronics task. After safe completion, you can move on. We recommend that you double check your wires periodically. In this room, you must organize the boxes in order of weight. All of these boxes are distinct colors. You may see things differently. Best regards from the Gaia development team. We hope that you enjoyed this experience. Please leave us reviews on itch.io and in our Google form.